Hey, what is up everybody? Josh Quinones here with another highly requested video for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, I've done a previous fast charging test video using the original fast charger that comes in the box with the phone, and today we are going to do a fast wireless charging test to see just how long it will take to charge this device with a fast wireless charger. Now, I've let the battery drain down to zero until it finally turned off on its own, and the wireless charger I'm going to be using is Samsung's Fast Charge wireless charging stand. It's got 9-watt charging speeds with a Samsung Galaxy phone and dual charging coils to ensure a better charging connection. It's also got a built-in fan to cool the phone during fast charging, so this is a pretty good wireless fast charger by Samsung, and I'll leave a link down in the description below in case you all find yourself interested in it by the end of this video. So let's not wait any longer. Let's get this test started. Okay, so it took 2 hours and 34 minutes to wirelessly fast charge to 100%. Now, yes, that does seem like a really long time, especially coming from the previous test with a wired fast charge, charging to 100% in 1 hour and 37 minutes. But you can always expect a slower charge with a wireless charger or even a fast charger. So seeing how this did take just about an hour longer than a regular fast charge, I would recommend maybe charging wirelessly overnight, unless you plan on staying home for a while or maybe in the office a while and not using your phone. Either way, it's always cool to have this feature and it can be very convenient for most, but I would love to know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Let me know what you thought of this test and the time it took to wirelessly fast charge this device. I hope I was able to help someone out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.